happy.
Madam Banna, it's good to be happy. It's very good. How much you say your money is? Let me give you.
No, Stella, one name, please, You know, just forget about that money, You have helped me to make plenty money today.
I tell you, you make money. I make money. Wow. Everybody make money. I tell you.
Stella, please, can we continue, with this every day? I like this magic too much.
Thank you, it's no problem. I'll come again. I'll go now. Nigerian women like money.
You're not a Nigerian woman.
No. I'm Congo and Nigeria. Hey. We dance and we love.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you. Please, just come every day. Too much money. Bye. I'll be expecting you tomorrow.
What the? Nigga, fuck! What the fuck? You wanna kiss my shit? Nigga, fuck you.
John? This is finished.
Are you for real?
Oh, that is how you
nigga, fuck that shit, man.
Eba, Nigeria. I'm not no this is village. Stop kicking people like that.
I like this shit, man.
I like it. I'm gonna go there and let her feel female away.
Yeah, they told me that they were. They got traffic in the air. Just fucking stop picking them up. I don't like that shit. I don't like that shit. Nigga, I don't like that shit. I don't like that shit. What do you want to do? Huh?
Let me give you something.
Nigga, don't fuck with me. Don't fuck with me.
Hold now. Take. I got now do kaka Janet. I need to be fair. I can't female away. This one is for me and I leave this one to you.
Yeah. You're my blood, man. Thanks, bro. That's what's up, man. I just made my first toe in this video. Appreciate me. You're my blood, man. I like it.
Gaba.
Say that again.
You fine guy. It's you.
Yeah, be careful, bro. Don't forget, there is traffic in the air. There is traffic in the air. Traffic in the air, baby. What the fuck? Bombo clad, blood clad. American. Where get other dollar yakan? Nigga, fuck all that shit, man. I'm a born hustler, man. I hustle in Texas. I hustle everywhere I go. Now I'm hustling in this deal. Traffic in the air.
Americano, what's that in your hand?
Benjamin, baby. It's Benjamin.
How did you get all that money?
Nigga, fuck all that shit. I'm a born hustler. I hustle. I hustle in Texas. I rock hustling. So I just started hustling in this deal. I met my road dog, my brother, man. His name is, you might know him. They call him Jan. I don't know Jan. Kara something, man. But he's a cool dude, yeah. So we now rock. We now rock together because there is traffic in the air.
As your commander, you are marooned on an island, foreign island. I'm asking you to give me that money.
What? Fuck all that commander shit. Fuck all that commander shit. I'm not giving you my Benjamin because there is traffic in the air.
This is mutiny.
Traffic in the air.
Mutiny.
Traffic in the air.
Punishable by
traffic. Also, they are making a lot of noise.
Fire and squad.
Traffic in the air. One mutiny. At this place, I barrack. Every time nothing. You want to go do somebody else?
Punishable by firing squad.
Punish yourself.
Man, attack.
Every time nothing.
If you move, I move you. Glory to
When me say Zion is a holy place. When me say Zion is a holy place. No sin can enter there.
Play this thing.
Rastafari is alive. We don't need no candlelight. Hallelujah, there is no night there. Let me tell you something. A Zion, a holy place. No senior can enter Zion. On the last day, we're going to see Jaja, the man.
You said you wanted us to discuss something.
Yeah, man. Brother man. Me see some plenty dollar about your foreign account.
It is very sweet to watch somebody to count money.
Yeah,
You can go back.
Ah, brother man. Don't leave your brother like that, man. You're my brother.
Is it not you that wanted to teach how to make money? But you say you like preaching Lege gospel. Go and continue with your Lege gospel.
Me ready, man.
You mean?
Me going to do anything. Me ready.
You mean?
Free, man.
Yeah.
Free, man.
From inside.
What you say?
You're a fine guy. Opo. Let's continue.
More time.
Opo.
More time.
Opo. Play. Play.
When me say Zion is a holy place. When me say Zion is a holy place.
High key.
No sin can enter there. Rastafari is alive.
I'm not sure not
We don't need no candle. We don't make it our like rain. Real make it our like rain. What a man with a Tagalabade like a electric fire. When we say oh yes, when we say oh yeah, when we say oh yeah, that's like Kingston. Oh yes, when we say oh yeah, that's like Kingston. Oh yeah, that's something me now. Oh yeah, when we say that's something me now. Oh yeah, that's something me now. Oh yeah, when we say that's something me now. Oh yeah, that's something me now. Oh yeah, when we say that's something me now. Oh yeah. That's what I said so. Oh yeah. Let me say that's all for me now. Oh yeah. Oh me now. Oh yeah. Let me say that's all for me now. Oh yeah. That's all for me now. Oh yeah. Put on the air now. Oh yeah. Let me say put on the air now. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Your hands in the air now. Oh yeah. Your hands in the air now. Oh yeah. Let me say your hands in the air now. Oh yeah. Oh I say so. Oh yeah. Rasamana so say. Oh yeah. Oh your hands now. Oh yeah. Let me say put your hands now. Oh yeah. Jump up around now. Oh yeah. Oh jump.
Hey, madam, I thought I came out with money. I'm just surprised I can't see the money again.
I beg, if you don't have money, give it to me. When you bring money, you come and collect it.
No, wait, now, let me go home and bring the money and I'll give it to you.
When you come back, then you can collect it.
Hey.
If you have money, you can collect the bread, okay? Stupid man, you don't have money, you want to buy bread.
Sai Jankara Angelati Yoli Umomila Jankara Angelati.
I can't find my wallet. Ah! That is how you people go about duping people. No, sir, please. Osim, no, sir. Where is my money? I can't find my wallet. Young man, where's my money on us? Please for what now? Is it please that me and my family will eat? I can't find my wallet. You can't find your wallet. I my business. My business with that. My friend, see, if you know, if you not bring that money now, we'll settle this issue for session. You the crazy? Sir, please. Come, bring my money. That's not asking, please, please.
Lipton.
Rastaman Jankara. You know me allergic to the bone.
I love him. This is for you, eh? As your manager, this one is my right.
Boom, Boklat! Let me tell you, me come here if you drink milk. Me no come here if you can cow. Huh? Why give me this? This is not the dollar we make, man. We make plenty dollar. Huh? Why give me this?
Yeah.
Jankara. Leko thief then, you know good.
Yeah, Lipton. It's like you don't want me to help you again, okay?
Me not say so. But I'm on Kingston, me need plenty dollar to feel like red. You want pour some ganja in my Charlie's Rastaman feel black up, man.
Then keep quiet and take the money. Or you don't want your manager to chop again. Lipton. Onyanyuku.
Leko thief then. Everywhere in the village, leko thief.
Ah, Charlie, I got Janet. Lipton, there. Yeah, Lipton.
Me not Lipton. Kingston a dongle Jamaica. In Jamaica, me and Mr. T, man. Me run the mic. We mash up the dance hall. Me run the mic. Leko dollar skill. But maximum respect. Huh? More time. Huh? More time. Jagai.
You are leaving me now.
More time.
No. Wait for me, Joe.
No, you sadre. No, hold on.
Odo me wa.
No, nanti na kwa sema. Nanti na ako.
I was busy. Rolling with him in Jamaica. Ona akpọ me. Ntona. Mo adi busy we kombo na massacre everybody. Mo no say me fen na alo.
Odo. Ihe nnozi kita. Matches. Kerosene. Government house. No be domo ma. Na you punya baru. Odo.
See, I will make sure I convince them so they will come after you. Shana chokadogi bomba to bomba.
Then I will make sure I collect money. Hey, money. My dear, I have to collect my own money and package it well.
They feel it when I'm mama lego in the because which am the
Okay,
man, your own shit.
Come
on, Mitchell. You can't have more to go inside all the kitchen, email something. Not take it.
What is it? What?
Let Jah be praised all the time. Give thanks and praises to Jah always. I man be praying to Jah Almighty night and day. For the chance, please speak me mind. See?
Anyway, I have been watching you play your music. It's very nice. I like it.
In case you don't know Kingston, Jamaica around the mind. Let Jah be praised always.
Seriously, I like you.
Blouse and skirt, man. You like me?
Yeah.
Me have been praying to Jah. Jah say him gonna give me a woman feed above. Let me tell you, me gonna play you a special tune. You ready?
No, of course I'm ready. I'm ready.
Baby girl, I wanna be with you. Every day I wanna spend my life with you. Do all the things where you want me to. Baby girl, you know I love you. Sin, come into my life, baby, come be my wife. Come be the mother of my child. I will be your Mr. Right. Hold you tight all through the night. I will be your lover. I'll be your man every minute, every hour. Baby girl, we go be together. Sweet baby, now you're my heart desire. We dedicate this man to.
Wonderful. I like it. But you know that is not what I need.
Find that. What you need? Say what you need. Rasta man. Me I make more for the task, man.
Why are you talking like this now? Eh? Don't you know what a woman needs? Don't you know what a woman needs?
Me I know what you need. Me I know what you need. Take all of them. Buy all of them good things you need. Skirt your blouse.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay, I'll come and see you later. Just be going. I'll come and see you later. Okay?
Oh baby girl, I beg you make it come here. Come make I feel you, baby, no the dear. This are the way busy call you, my dear. You there to sit like my teddy dear. Baby girl, I beg you make it come here. Come make I feel you, baby, no the dear.
No, no, man, no, man.
Na tigre ndio.
Tash.
Na kama. Na chapa kai bali o mai ni.
Na kunya, na bukana go na kai skoro. Ai fiche go, kai fiche go.
Na check one.
Oh, now your secretary.
Ah. Não é bom. Não é bom. Agora. Yes.
Mommy? What are you looking for?
I'll go born when I go. Lipotin.
Mommy?
Kingston.
I don't understand who you're talking to.
I'm sorry. Kingston.
Kingston? Oh. Kingston, that one is not in this house anymore. He carry guitar, he enter road, go up and down, play like Rasta music.
You know when I go out, I'll give you my mother.
Mommy, I don't understand what you're saying. Talk what I hear.
Okogan, on here.
Oh, Hogan. Oh, Hogan and Osi. Hogan go hustle.
Okay, when they come back, tell them that Jankala came to look for them.
Who?
Jankala Igbo.
Oh.
Onyala.
Jankara Onyala. Oh, Jankara, you help people hustle. You help all my brother get money. They hustle, they get money. Me, I don't know anywhere to go. I don't know nobody to see. I don't know where to go and hustle my own. Jankara, I want you to help me hustle.
You're ready to make money?
Yes.
You will hustle. Yeah? You won't be like Lipotin. Onyanyuku.
No.
Onyala. Mankana.
Jankara Onyala. I like that name. You help me hustle, I make money, I take you to Liberia.
Onyala na Onyala ebona kwala. Ndekwe kana to aka kenelan. Okuma Onyala na. Ona to kwana to Onyala.
Onyala. Help me hustle. Help me hustle. I like it. Yeah. I take you to Liberia. If you help me hustle, I get money.
No. You take me where? Don't. I don't want to go to that place, please. I heard they used to kill people there.
No. Jankara, Onyala. Yes. You help me hustle.
Onyala means you. Onyala.
Oh, be Onyala.
Onyala means you're a big guy.
Onyala me, Onyala. Hi, Jankara. Onyala. Silbert, Onyala. You help me also. I get money. Yes. It's okay. If they come, I'll tell them, okay? It's okay.
Man, this is serious. What I will do is, when Nai comes back, I will tell him to talk to Nai Sylvester about it.
My dear, that's not the reason I'm here. I'm only giving you this information so you know how to hold your husband before you start sharing him with another person.
What are you driving at?
I've not said anything. No. Just be careful with him.
My husband is not like that.
My sister, nobody's husband is like that until it happens. You are in this village, yet you don't know what Semo is capable of doing. Eh?
Doris, I've heard.
Okay, let me go and warn other women.
Are you really serious about this?
I'm very serious. What I saw with my eyes today is not something we should relax about.
I said it. Doris, always if you're in a I mean, you are so jobless, so less busy that you now go from one house to the other, warning women. On one was in a jobless. Before uncle. Radio without background.
You are in this village, yet you don't know that the fear of Semo is the beginning of wisdom.
What if I was in a lock?
No problem, she will soon dance her will on your head.
Dance her will on whose head?
I've heard you. Let me be on my way.
Oh,
I'm going now.
Nada. Oh, Osim Semo. Dream FM. Just now, Gale, Monday morning.
Hello, everybody listen. Everybody listen, Mame, Papi. This drug, I brought it from Liberia. We're prepared from Liberia. You cure everything. You cure Ebola, you cure rheumatism, you get big pain, you bring your tummy down. You get flat tummy. Tell them what they hear. Tell them. Madam, you want?
Yes, what does this?
Okay. Have this drug, you cure everything. You cure headache, you cure rheumatism, you cure typhoid.
How much for one?
It's 500 from Liberia, original. Just every night, take 3 shots and drink. Take it. You cure everything, okay? This thing, do you like it? If your papa is mad, give it to him. You go. Hello. Take this drug. You cure everything. You cure Ebola. Madam, you want it's from Liberia. You cure everything. You make you look like 60-year-old girl.
How much?
It's 500 naira. Madam, you want?
What is it for?
You cure everything from your head to your mouth to your throat. You cure Ebola. If your papa is mad, you cure madness.
I usually have this movement around my teeth, especially at night.
Just drug cure. You cure. Take it. It's 500. It's 500. Take it.
Are you sure?
I'm very
How
sure.
how will I use it?
Just 3 shots every night. Anything where they worry you, you cure it.
Will I throw it out? I will
No.
swallow it.
You anyhow swallow it, throw it. You cure. It's 500. Collect money from her.
Now check it.
If your sister is mad, give it to her.
No.
If your brother mad, give it to him.
This
if
one
your
I do.
brother
It
mad,
work well.
He work.
Hey.
He make you pregnant. You make you pregnant. You
Hey.
get belly, you born pikin.
What is happening here?
It's drug. This drug is direct from
if you
Libya.
don't work, me, I fight you.
Don't worry, work.
Me, I fight you. Me, I fight you.
Mami, let's go.
Does it cure madness?
Yes. Your papa mad?
No, you're just a friend of mine is mad.
A friend, take it. It's 500. Just take 3 shots. Give your friend. Give your friend in the morning. Give your friend in the night. Give your the madness go.
3 times in a day.
3 times a day. The madness go.
Give me 2. I need
Okay.
2.
Good customer. Good customer. Give in. Wonderful drug from Liberia. Wonderful drug from Liberia.
Nwunye gị na-afụ miscarriage, ọ na-enwe miscarriage.
Yes, miscarriage.
Ma ya nwụzụ na mgbere ịtọ, ọnwa ya ngwụrụ na-abụ.
Tọọtọ m obodo okwu ebe a. Ọtọ m ka dị 40 dị n'aka. Ọ dị ka anụ m ka nwoke. Ghọtago.
Ọ dị m ka nwoke?
He say he doesn't.
Oh, listen, Mami, you carry your wife, you take this thing. 1 shot in the morning, 1 shot in the night, 1 shot every day.
Damn, God bless your mama, man. Shit. God bless your mama, man. Shit. This is Africa, bro. Fuck that shit. Fuck that shit. Fuck that shit. Traffic in the air. Traffic in the air. Traffic in the air. Traffic in the air. Damn, baby. God bless your mama, man. Shit. Listen.
I'm gonna give you a whole more Benjamin soon when my dollar drops, babe.
Benjamin? Who is Benjamin? Your brother?
Come on, man. Don't know Benjamin. I mean dough, baby.
Oh, money is Benjamin.
Yeah, that's what's up, baby.
I need a lot of Benjamin.
Listen, let me tell you something. I have like $2.5 million. It's just hanging, baby. $2.5 million, baby.
Go. Shebi, when you get that kind of money now, you forget people like you.
Nigga, fuck that shit. You're mine forever, man. Let me tell you something. With this shit, I can't forget you. You're a black lady, man. Damn. God bless your mama, man. Shit.
Thank you.
Yeah, man, come on, bro. You're my black Nicki Minaj, man. With that shit, I'ma stick to you forever, baby. That's traffic in the air. Dang. Come on, baby. Show a nigga some love, man. Show me love.
Love?
Yeah, show some love, man.
I told you I love you now. I love you.
Oh, fuck all that love shit. Listen, baby, I want to roll on top on this shit, man. What's up? Hop on this, man. I want to do some bumpy shit.
Hey, wait now. Take it easy. I'll give you. Don't judge me. You give me some more.
So, no, wait the time, man. I want to roll on this shit, baby.
No problem. Very soon.
Say it again. Traffic in the air. Traffic in the air. Come on, man, chill. She said soon, so chill, man, chill. Chill, okay? Traffic in the air.
Yeah, my man. Yeah, my man. I'm move from Liberian to Nigeria and make money. I've made money for myself. I enter the street, I hustle. Subet is the real man. Subet is the real man. This is money. I from Liberia, I come Nigeria and made money. Now that I made money, I'll go for that girl, Janet. I'll marry her and take her to Liberia. Yes, that is what I will do. Yes. Who say I'm not the real man? I've made money. I've made money. Pape, I'm gonna video. I won't steal your biscuit no more. They think I'm stupid. I'm not stupid. I use my brain, I read my book, and get strategized and go out there and get normal job to do. Others just enter streets, hustle. Me, I hustle with my brain. Subet is the real man. Now I'm going to give this one to... I'll keep this one for myself. Janet this one. Because once I marry her now, I'll take her to Liberia. This one. I'll keep this one for myself.
My brother, you needed to see the kind of embarrassment I received the other day.
I wanted to tell you.
The bike man almost tore my shirt. If not for H's on that actually met us struggling and decided to rescue me. I mean, the shame would have been greater.
What exactly really happened?
It was after watching the performance of one of Bato's son. That was it called Rasta man from Jamaica.
That reggae man?
Yes.
Have you also had any encounter with him? I heard Salome the other day went to the market to purchase meat. And he couldn't pay for the meat after the meat seller had cut the meat into pieces.
Seriously?
Yes. But Salome was with us the other day now.
Yes, she was with us.
Was Jankara there? Jankara? He's the only one that when he passes, things begin to get missing. How to know him? He's always meandering.
He has a point
there. Yeah, we should know him.
Jenny.
Papa.
On your son, well.
Maybe one.
Ja.
On the men's side.
Osibego, the fat I asked you to fart for me. Has it started smelling?
sleep.
Maybe.
If you want snore. Because never I look into the city very soon. So, buy a nose mask.
What is the actual condition now, situation?
Papa, as I speak to you, the three of them are running after me like flies, running after a keg of palm wine.
Please, you.
They wouldn't let me rest. And you said, Nike. No, never hear one.
Papa, I now have them on my parents. Truth to God. If I want to say family.
Yes.
Wonderful. Now, let it remain like that. In a few months, the money will be shared. If we collect from this person, we collect from this person, we collect from that person, and we collectibles.
No, not really.
Yeah? I say.
Not usually shoes. Come, John.
Teacher is smarter than your father. Don't let your mother wake up, eh?
Stop!
Give it to me. Bring it up. Give me. Give it to me.
It's okay.
Hey! Blah, Congo.
Yeah, me Congo. Me from Congo.
What were you doing inside that car? That the car was moving up, down, and down. What were you doing?
Mon ami. He my friend. Very good man. We play every time in the car. We are looking back.
Hey.
Yes, he's a good man. He can do well.
Na Congo. Ama na ị na-abọ ike. Ị na-abọ ike. Ị ga-abọrọ m ya taa.
Je ne pas comprendre. Me no understand what you say.
You see, listen. If you don't understand, you will undersit. Eh?
Talk.
What I am trying to say is that ị ga-abọrọ m ike. Eh? Ị ga-abọrọ m ike. Let us go into the bush there.
You look for something, not my business. Anything you lost, you look for it. Me, I need money. I will. Congo people need money. Okay. Me, not Nigerian.
I am not looking for anything at all. What I am looking for is kind boys no.
Oh!
Kind boy ke.
You wanna do?
Yeah, I want to do. I want to do.
You strong?
Wow.
Me not do with you. If no money, not do.
I'm very strong.
All me need is money. Me not Nigeria. I want money.
You want money?
Me no problem, but bring this. Bring this. I don't want this. Throw this away. But you give me money. I go there. We do it very well. I will look at you.
Listen to me. Hey,
all I want
no
is
problem.
Money.
If it is money, I will give you money.
Give me money.
Hey.
I want money.
The last money in my pocket. Hey. Go car.
Bring this then. You have it.
Hey.
Oh. This Nigerian money. This one you do 2 rand. This one you put small, you do 3 rand.
Hey, no problem. That is, I can do 5 rands.
If you bring money, you stronger now?
Oh, me? I am strong.
Oh.
Very, very strong.
Let's go. What is that? If you want to do it here, we can start. Me, no problem.
Can you guys do that? Eh? Let's go into the bush.
You thought I wouldn't find out, eh? You thought I wouldn't find out, Okwano?
Oh, one year. Again, Okwano. You Kwano Sobu. Again, eh? Why are you being so noisy?
Oh, I am being so noisy, eh? So I am not being so noisy. You've not seen the noise. You are throwing your daughter at men for whatever reason I don't know. And you are here telling me that I'm being noisy.
I can see that you are really enjoying this poverty state we are living in. Okwia?
That shouldn't be enough reason for you to encourage your daughter to be running after men for money.
Hey. I said that's your business. Look, all I know is do not spoil my own business.
Oh, you are seeing this as a business? So it's not a business. Where is that Janet? Janet! Janet! Can you get me? Continue. Oborode. Nti kwa na azu. Oborode misai. Na mmeti azu. I don't know what you, your father, and your useless twin brother are up to. But if you know what is good for you, stay away from Bato's children before you get yourself in a serious trouble.
Madam Benet, where are you? Oh, my friend. What's wrong with you?
Hey! Come. Why did you bring these young girls here?
Oh, this one? No problem, c'est la pas problem. These people want to follow me to learn how to dance makosa. I will look over. I teach them we make money, beg money together.
Please, their mothers will come here and make trouble with me. I don't want that.
Mother, no problem. They come too late, but then safe, no problem. C'est la pas no problem. Don't you like more money?
No, I like money very well. I like money very, very well, and I want to make more money. But I don't want problem for myself.
Not trouble. If you want money from Congo anyway, no trouble. Let us do makosa dance. I teach them makosa dance. Everybody dance. You make money, I make money, they make makosa. I will look over. We are all happy.
Chinasa na moge. Achoro paminu ne chabra kupon. I hope your mothers will not come here and make trouble with you.
No, Mama, see now we are big girls. We can take care of ourselves.
You say that.
And we like makosa. That's what we want to learn. So we can make your customers happy now.
Okay, Stella. You can teach them how to dance, then they will continue working with you.
Madam
so that you can make too much money. So that we can make plenty money.
Money is it. Let me rewind for you. You dance makosa. I teach you. Everybody make money. Happy. I will look over. I need battery. Give me battery.
don't do this. Please. Don't do this to me. Please. I beg you. Don't do this. Don't rape me again. No, please. Don't do this. Don't rape me again. Please, don't rape me again. Please, I beg you, don't do this. Jesus. What is all this? God forbid. Amoge, what's the meaning of this?
Say more. Oh, Mama cool temper. Awilo is dancing. Awilo is dancing.
Naomi. Ne, what is this? Doris, one name. It just I'm enjoying it. Exactly the same way you're saying. That's the way I'm saying it. Ne, are you just hearing that your daughter has been dancing in Bernard's bar with Congo this while? The news is everywhere in this village. Are you just hearing it? I thought you said you are my friend. So you heard it all this way without telling me? I thought you called yourself my friend. Please don't even go there. What is it? The one I told you about your husband. What was your reaction about it? Hey. Doris, one name. Hi. Doris, name na Amoge ne Congo. My sister, you should be happy you're still seeing your daughter alive. If you don't come with me at once, she will not only kill your husband, but you will not see him again. Semo is in action. Follow me, Semo. I'm on the stand.
Jankara Janati, Yoli, if they handle you, brother, Isiki get bempe, Isiki get bempe. Sit them, not them.
Oh, you are a very strong man.
Did you enjoy it last time?
I was okay. I need money. Give me money first.
You see what I've been telling you? Hey! You see? Ezekiel! Semo. So this is it. Ezekiel, where are you running? So this is it. Where are you running? Ezekiel, what the shit that I don't trust? No, give it to you. No, give it to us. I'm telling you. Hey! I said come here. Come here.
Hey! Please don't kill
I say you should remove this thing.
Hey!
Ezekiel! Destroy our village. Where are you going to?
Leave me alone.
Why is she stupid girl?
You need to see the kind of embarrassment I received in the market that day. My sisters, at least yours was just an embarrassment. Do you know one of those guys sold a drug to me? I went home. I almost passed out my intestine in the toilet. If not for God, and that she devil that goes around saying Semo has totally destroyed Naomi's home. She has turned her daughter into an akunakuna. Today, we caught her performing Naomi's duty with Ina Edo in the bush. Nimofia. Hey! What is all this? I saw them with my 2 eyes. Is it that one that came from America? I heard he now goes about in this village selling Indian hemp. Hey! Nobody. Yes. I think it's high time we went to Osoja's house. He has to do something about this. He neither send him out of this village or he cages them in his house.
my bullet when I die. Oh my country. Take my bullet when I die. Hallelujah, if I happen to surrender, I die for my country. Take my bullet when I die. Can't be too smart for...
Hey, Uncle, what the problem again? Why calling me that name? I'm not like that.
You can't be too smart for an old soldier of 2nd Battalion of the Biafran Army.
You're welcome.
I fought in Gakem, in Soka, Obolafo, in Kalago, and Abagana sectors.
It's okay, it's okay. Fighting not good. Fighting not good. You did not fight during the Greek period. That was battle. Roman period, that was battle. Uncle, don't fight common people. Come on, it's not good.
I fought in Congo. Now, where were you coming from? Why were you sneaking?
You did not even ask me the question you are supposed to ask me first. You are telling me places you have fought. I'm not sneaking. I don't like Nigerian people. Nigerian people don't know how to work. I'm not sneaking. I'm a hustler. Hustler be Oko. I don't like Nigerian girls. I noticed that Nigerian girls, when they are walking, they do catwalking. Do like this, do like this, do like this. It causes body pain. I don't like body pain. That's why, as a hustler, I do rat movement, cat walking, rat walking. I walk like a rat. You know, rat faster than cat. I do it like this.
Jankara, which one be you?
Uncle!
To walk na wahala. To hustle na for where. Anywhere you enter, something must just forget. Jankara, oh Jankara, the life na Jankara, oh. Your life no wa jagara jaga. Your life no wa wagara waga. Jankara, you there for stealing, abali degu. You there for picking pocket, yo. Jankara, Jankara. What a fool set.
How does making money affect your life?
It affects me.
How does it affect your life?
Affects me.
Yet I spend out of the money in this house. And you're always complaining.
It affects me because she's my daughter. Mama, you are spoiling her. You people are making money the wrong way.
I'm not spoiling anybody.
Mama, it's okay. It's okay. Eh? Mama, why are you even worried about this issue yourself? Why?
Ask her.
This is just a small, fast deal. Come on, we'll tell us something. Eh? Nobody's doing any kukere with me. Whether you are doing kukere or kere kuku, stay away from them. Stay away from them and end all this nonsense.
And I said shut up.
Stay away from them.
Shut up! Metronogi, I'm still the head of this house. Eh? Leave them alone. Leave them alone. I tell you that. Let them go.
Give me a second. Give me.
Odo yewu.
Odo yewu.
Kana kwa godi kike odo godi ni ipo aja.
Give me a Biko nyu konya baru kosi. Give me a
I saw a group of people. Eh? If you go the wedding there no be makachiku. Ndi anwete mo na ga doka ka anu. Kana kwa godi. I saw them heading to old soldier's house. You remember those people? They are those ones I collected money from. Yes. During Onye Jamaica's concert. Even on Kake, one Charlie, Liberian, those ones he sold fake drugs to. Are from her.
Jesus.
Ebe ana gana nke old soldier. So where's one for him? Your brother, he trust him. Nke go di ozugbo tido n'ime ofia.
Hey!
Go dey when age dem. When I report to here now.
That means Odo it is a go final.
Mba no leba ajuba ma aju na pass igi news iche na enyi news mgbere ebo. Na pass igi news na asi mo date. Odo it is a go, okwasago.
Give I get me.
You can assume more na chi nali from here mpocha kai ficha.
Mbocha.
Kogodi ndia kama na gificha.
If Janet plan for you, you must fall inside.
Fuck all that shit! Are you mad? Fuck all that shit! Stop it! Stupid! See, I'll be playing that football. If anybody starts my woman, I'll kill that party. You are party. I'll tell you, man. What's all this? What's all this? Hey, I'm going to. Hey! Hey! Everybody! Put him down! Hey! Fuck all that shit! Fuck all that shit! Fuck all that shit! Damn! My man, listen to me. Listen to me, my man. I'll be playing good song. Since I came back, I'll be playing good song. But today, if you try me, I'll tell you, I'll fight you, I'll fight in Liberia. If you try me, my woman, today, we'll see what I'll do to you. Try me! Try me, my man, try me! Quiet!
Americana, you get strength, sin. You roll a rasta man like a fan. Man.
Fuck all that shit.
Take the gear. Take the gear, Americana. Don't kill your brother. Take the gear, me surrender.
Fuck all that shit. Fuck all that shit.
Yeah, man.
Fuck all that shit.
Yeah, man.
Pick up your cap. Put it on.
Take the woman. Take the woman.
Hey! Bato. Me? Is that you?
The rule was for no one to fight.
Me, I did not fight her. I did not fight. It's this one that carried that one like a silly fan, Papa. He turned it everywhere. He turned it.
None was to fight. The offense of one will affect the other. Now, all the time you have spent is a waste.
Bato, don't do that. Bato, don't do this. Don't do this. Look at these children. They're a bunch of crazy people. A bunch of crazy, disobedient children, Bato.
Be at alert for the next line of action. You have disobeyed the will. You wait until I come back for the next line of action.
Now listen, one by one. Now listen, all of you. All these your banana heads. All these your heads that cannot comprehend any action. Cannot obey simple order. Now listen. If I lose this money, oh, I'm going to send all of you to Igwenga barracks, where you're going to rot in hell. Just wait.
Fuck all that way.
Try me, my man. I'll show you how to send people in Morovia. Try me. You see, try me.
That was a
try
good
me.
one. You turned him like a fan. Oh, I miss wrestling.
Try me.
Champion. He's a champion.
Turn him away, me, my woman. I'll tell you.
Americana. A real gangster, man. Liberia, Americana, a real gangster. He roll rasta man like a fan, man.
My man, shut all your mouth, you stupid. Shut all your mouth, my man. Get out of my face.
But you boy, Liberian.
Jesus! Please, leave me alone. Leave me alone. You are dead. I have no business with you.
Oh, yes, you do.
Leave me to live my life in peace, please. I beg you.
The time for truth is now. And you must not hide it away from them when they finally come to you.
Why do you want to do this to me? How do you expect me to?
I hope you know that the first segment of this mission was a monumental disaster. We failed completely. Now we have a second chance. A second chance to grab the money, which we've been suffering for all these months. Are we ready to grab the money? Are we ready to grab the money? Say yeah. Are we ready to grab the money? Yeah. No, I didn't hear you well. Are we ready to grab the money?
Yeah, Mama.
Good. Now that's better. Barrister.
Yes, sir.
These bloody civilians failed the primary rule of the will.
How do you mean, sir?
They fought or go.
What a pity, sir. But that's not what I'm here for. I come to tell you that what I read the other day was the first will.
Bombo clad, blood clad. What you say?
Well, my client, Mr. Bartholomew, asked me to do that for reasons best known to him.
Mommy?
Fuck all that shit. Fuck all that shit. You mean we've been suffering under some fake ass will? Fuck all that shit. Dang.
Well, I'm just his attorney. And I'm being paid to do what he wants me to do in such case. He also told me that when the time is due, he will reveal to each and every one of you where to find the real will.
So
his reasons for doing that he wouldn't disclose to me.
Soldiers! We are moving in a formation. We will move our attack to battalion level. Ready to move the battalion attack? Get ready.
You scared me.
I have noticed that for some time now, you have not been yourself.
How can I be myself when I don't know the whereabouts of my children?
But I told you that I know the whereabouts of our children. That you should be calm. But I don't think that the whereabouts of our children is the main thing that is bothering you.
What are you trying to say?
My wife. When you went out to urinate last night, I heard you talking to someone I don't know. You came back with plenty tears in your eyes.
Are you tired? Go outside and follow someone. Pium, 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 pium. Are you tired? I'm okay. Can you imagine the shame you have brought to me? Muabu Naomi. I am now the mother of a loose girl, Amoge. Because of you, Muabu Samamonyala. Amoge.
I'm very, very sorry.
You're sorry again?
I don't know what's going
on. Please, again, when you were disgracing me, didn't you know? Osim, please. Imagine this someone. Go ahead, do someone now. What are you waiting for? You're here shedding your crocodile tears. You, what are you doing here? Eh? What are you? Come on, Osim, please. Come on. What are you doing here? Someone. Can you bring a member? Can you bring a member later back? You later came back up here. Eh? Papa, c'est moi. C'est moi. Si je peux faire un déclaration. My father, my daughter.
Bombo clad, blood clad.
Hey, wait.
This is a massive building. Oh, sorry, a massive building.
Ooh la la la! This is the mansion we are coming to. Papa is very wicked man. He dead telling us to come here. Ah! Why did we live in your house? Your house is not fine. Something chop our birthday, but this mansion is our father's house.
Shut the fuck up, Kong. Listen, old soldier. Pop was a stingy man of fine and things. Listen, Pop, whatever you hang with, don't be a stingy ghost. Let's roll and rock.
You shut up! He's not a ghost. He just dead in. Ah! Respect the dead body.
All of you keep quiet. Let me open this gate. Now listen.
Jesus! What? Bomb butlets! Mommy? Who opened the gate?
Why are you asking me? You were here. You saw the gate open.
Mommy? This house is cursed. Mommy?
No, the gate is using.
I don't want this money no more. I'm going back to Liberian. Why are you talking about? I'm going back. I go to.
Hey!
I'm going.
Hey, yellow! You move an inch, I fire you. I fire you.
Mommy, I don't want this money again.
No, you must. Now everybody, listen.
I fight one more.
We must all shape up. We must all imbibe discipline now.
Yeah, man.
Okay?
Yeah, man.
So we proceed.
Yes, sir.
This is another war front.
Yes, sir.
Now we move.
Yes, sir.
Now we attack.
Yes, sir.
Now move it. Everybody move it.
Mommy?
Move it!
I don't like ghosts.
I say move it.
Why around? Yeah, Lily bad man. Mommy,
Come here.
I don't like ghosts.
In Zion, no sin shall enter there. Jah bless and guide I and I.
That's what's up, man.
We proceed, man.
Yes, now proceed, everybody.
That's what's up, man.
Chris la whatever. Enter.
My name is Christella.
Now move it.
No, we don't go down again the sound more like. No weapon fashion against the children of the Most High, the prosper. See? Everything. That's the type of that too.
Hey, keep moving. This is an attack.
We proceed.
Hey!
One more clad! Blood clad!
Hey!
Battle, you are not dead. Tell us.
Come on.
Welcome to the house of Bartholomew. Here all you need lies. Pay attention. All you need to find out is in this mansion. From now on, it is all man to himself. There is a particular room in this mansion, a room that has my picture on the door. There you need to be in. Not too fast. The door is locked.
Then where is the key?
It is in this mansion.
What you talk about, old ghost? Give me the key if you want, man.
Key! Give us the key. All we want is money. Give us money, Mama.
My fortune belongs to whoever finds the key and opens it. The first person inside the room will take the whole money.
Battle! Why are you stingy, even in death? If you don't want to give us money, then why put us through all the... No! He's slapping me! He's slapping me!
was a spiritual slap for old Sarge.
That's a factory slap sample.
Bombo clad, wicked ears, dirty man. Just go back where you come from, old ghost.
Papi, I tell you before, I don't like ghosts. I tell you.
I cool, old Sarge.
Remember, it is every man to himself. You must begin the search right away. Right away.
Fuck all that shit.
There is plenty kuna in the house. Ah, Papa, very rich man, but very stingy. Good day. Who is there? Come out. What day? I play Makosa music. I don't hear any noise.
I know be Fino. I'm just a young boy chilling with my own girl. Me, why is she looking at me? Does she wanna put the evil spirit on me? The still upcoming.
I'm searching for key. Where do I get the key from?
She say her name na Kristera. She say her name na Kristera. Oh, Makosa lady. She say her name na Kristera. She say her name na Kristera. She too like the Makosa.
Fuck all that shit, man. Fuck all that shit. I gotta be smarter than them niggas, man. Fuck all that.
She like what of Hogan? American baba, American rapper, American musician, yo. Hogan, he say he want to go back. Rihanna is calling him, Jay-Z is waiting for him, yo. DJ Kalina Waya, Kobe where go Bineria. Ibaya Kanono, or sick fuck all that shit, yo. Traffic in the air, fuck all that shit, yo. Traffic in the air, I say fuck all that shit, yo. Traffic in the air.
Fuck all that shit. Fuck all that shit.
Why yes?
Fuck all that.
Sickest, the Jita boy, the Bombo Clan man, Onye Jamaica, Oji Jamaica,
Wow! What a beautiful mansion, my Papa built. This is a very beautiful mansion. This is fine mansion. Oh, Papa, very big man. Papa and Monsieur. See what that bed. What that bed. I sleep on this water bed with good liquor. Wow, I see why now. I don't know why Papa give this kind of mansion to charity. Why charity? Charity will not handle this house. Oh, charity too small to handle the house. Give me a slate. I need money. Plenty money. Wow!
useless. Christila, we necklace, fine necklace in Congo. Everybody call me Christila, 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 Christila. Different voices. How we find Jane? How take the Jane? How need Jane? I'll take care of you very well. I'll bath for you, Jane. Oh, heavy Jane, heavy correct. How need Jane?
I want to know now who gave these children? Now who gave these children? Now who gave these children? Who gave these people? Oh, soldier, now waiting be this you. You big guy, man. You big guy, man. If you move, you go move, yo. Oh, soldier, say make you stand the artist, yo. Just scatter your nash. Oh, soldier, big guy, man. Attack. If you move, I move you. No retreat, no surrender. Attack, I want to know.
Wow! This is money.
Pato, what is this? Pato, what is this? Pato, what is this? Pato, what is this now? You, there was money here, yeah? Now there is no money. No money, Pato, no money.
Were you thinking it would be that easy?
Which kind children be this? Which kind picking be this?
Wicked brother, stingy brother, stingy wicked. Pato, Pato, Pato. Oh my God, what kind of a wicked brother is this? Eh? Pato, you are wicked. Pato, you are wicked, wicked and wicked. Oh. What is it now? How can a brother treat a brother like this? Eh? How can? But where are you? Where are you?
These are nice. See, Rastaman, he takes some chow. Yeah, man. Nice, man. Yeah, man.
Bumbleclad! We are half of a calf. Bumbleclad! Bumbleclad! Don't be talking, man.
Organ. He say he want to roll back. Rihanna is calling him. Jay-Z is waiting for him, yo. DJ Kalina Waya. Kobe were go bineria. Ibaya kanono. Osike fuck with that shit, yo. Traffic in the air. Fuck with that shit, yo. Traffic in the air. I say fuck with that shit, yo. Traffic in the air.
That shit. You're not supposed to be here, man. Okay, this is cool. Come on. Man, my pop was great, man. cool myself, right? Come on, man. Fuck all that shit. This belongs to me. Dang. Come on, Paul.
You're not supposed to be here. Get inside.
Paul, show some love, man. Come on. Don't be a stingy ghost, you know? Let me have the keys. I'm your blood, man. Drop it in there!
This beautiful mirror. This mirror? Wow.
I'm done with this whole thing here. You can keep your money, you bloody civilian. I don't want to take it. I'm not.
We talk about money, my father and money. Oh, good liquor, plenty liquor. Papa, may your soul rest in perfect peace with good liquor, and I will look over. He's a good man. What a good man with my kind of spirit. We drink together if you were alive. What happened? What happened to What is that? What is? What?
Stay away from my drinks, you foolish drunk.
Sorry, please. Sorry. My hand.
So Jana waiting be this you big guy man, Oh so Jana waiting be this you big guy man.
Then I get out of this place, this bloody place. What am I even doing here? Huh? Hey, what's this? What is this? Battle. You're stingy even up to an ordinary can of beer. Battle.
Sorry. That was what he did to me. I wanted to take small liquor drink. Papa drove me away, wanted to break my hand.
Stingy up to your own children, Battle. Eh? Up to your own children.
Man.
Look at
dirty old ghost.
Wait. Crystal, la. What happened? What's that?
My name not Crystal, la. My name is Crystal.
I know, but what happened to you?
It's the house. Necklace drove me away. Necklace beat me. Necklace slapped me. Necklace wounded me. Necklace wanted to kill me. Miguel, Necklace do wicked things.
Sorry. Listen up, man. We have a big problem here.
Yes.
Yeah, we have a big problem, man. Oh, I saw Pop's ghost. Yeah, I saw him. I was like, what's up, man? Don't be a stingy ghost, man. The keys. And guess what? He slapped me. He slapped me.
Sorry.
And there is traffic in my ear.
Sorry. Let there be movement in the hills. worry.
Jamaica, what's up, man? What happened to you?
That dirty dopey man a scientist, man. Import Iron Man some hot water. Say, but a real scientist. A punk scientist, man. Hey! Hey! Mommy? 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 Please don't kill me. Please? Please don't kill me. If you spare my life, Mommy, from here I'll go back to Morovia. That money I need no more. Take, please don't give me, Mommy. Please.
You talk too much. That's the key. You can't take it. Take it! Go ahead and take it!
What of Hogan? American rapper, American rapper, American musician. Hogan.
So that is it.
That was your plan with the children?
Yes. I just wanted to take my own share when the money is finally shared.
Did any of them sleep with her?
You can't ask me that kind of question, mine. And my body Oku. Do I walk about with her?
Okay.
For some days, you have been very uneasy and you don't want to tell me what it is. Kanju Kwaduga also. Let me ask you again. What is the problem?
There is no problem.
But wait, everybody wait. Something is disturbing me. I am tired of staying in Nigeria. I want to go back Congo. Now tell me, has any one of you not found a key? Give me the key, I need money.
No one has seen the key.
What if there is no key?
Uncle, don't talk like this. I don't like it. You don't have faith. There must be key. I need money. If there is no key in Congo, if you misplace your key in Congo, all we do is break the door.
Let me say. Me no feel suffer for nothing. We have to break that door. We have to break that door.
Break the door.
Break the door.
We break the door.
Break the door.
Break the door.
Break the door.
We break the door.
Break the door.
I found the key. What is it?
What is it?
My man, hey.
Keep on, man.
Bring down, man. Stop that, my man.
Hey!
Stop it. Come on.
I found the
I
key.
will fire somebody here.
If I move you, no retreat, no surrender. Attack, I want to know the kind of family you be. I want to.
That's it. That's the door. Hey, bring the key.
See? Bombo clat! A scientist door.
So why have we been suffering looking for this key? Huh?
Nigga, fuck all that shit. Fuck all that shit, old sound.
Come on.
Let's roll in, man.
Come on.
Hey.
Hey, that place look like a temple.
Really?
Yeah, man.
Move it now.
That place looks like a temple.
I don't like ghosts, mommy.
You go back to Liberia.
I don't like ghosts.
A temple. A Catholic temple.
Fuck all that shit. Where's the fucking money? Where's the money?
Just this. Open the envelope and on the bed.
Soldier. Go ahead. Go ahead. Yeah, man. Come on.
Ignore the first will. All my money and property must go to my children. I have only 2 children, a boy and a girl.
I am the only girl. I don't know who my brother is. Only one brother.
Fuck all that shit, man. My mama told me who my pop is. And she told me that I am the only son.
Hey, mommy, shut up. Shut up, mommy. If it's not me, mommy, why did you direct me to where the key is?
That's true.
The key.
That's true.
So it's me, mommy.
Yeah, it's you. We talk alike. We look alike. You're my brother, not this one.
What you say? Ya laga here, dirty pum pum. Keep quiet.
Don't bother yourself with confusion. Go downstairs. The answer you seek is already with you.
Wait, mommy.
The answer, who is my brother?
Ogini.
Nothing. Let's go inside.
But you have not told me why you brought me to Bato's house.
Don't worry, we'll soon know. Let's go inside.
Calm down, man. Eh? You will not tell me what. Okay, man. What is it?
Calm down,
please. What's this?
Oh, ghost.
The time is now. Speak the truth.
I will.
Who are you talking to?
I am sorry.
Sorry, what? Eh?
He made me swear with my life.
Who? Onye? What are you talking about?
When I was still a maid servant in Bato's house, and you were his laundry man. A week after our wedding, something happened. Why did you do it?
It was the time for it.
Time for what?
Enough of these questions. Enough of this question, Isabel. Okay? Stand. Get yourself clean and make sure no one knows about this.
You are wicked. How heartless can you be? You force yourself on your servant, whom you know is married to another of your servants. And this is all you have to say?
Isabel, I needed to have a child. I need it.
But you have 4 children from 4 different women.
They are not my children.
What are you talking about?
Isabel, listen, you must guard this secret with your life. I made a vow with an ancient court in order to have all the wealth I have today. Like I said, you must guard this secret with your life. The day you let it out, that day you lose your life. I was supposed to be unable to father a child for 10 good years. After which I was to buy over a man's manhood to sleep with his wife. Knowing that your husband has a greedy appetite, I gave him the meat that made him lose his senses for at least 2 days in order to make me get you pregnant.
If this is true, how then did your previous wife get pregnant?
It hadn't been long since he returned, and I had been married to my first wife for 2 years without a child. I saw Sylvester, my brother, on top of my wife. He continued like that with each woman I married. And after each time they came to tell me that they were pregnant, I knew already that child is not mine. And my attitude towards them changed. That was how they all left. But Isabel, listen. Like I already told you, guide this secret with your life. The day you let it out, you lose your life.
I am sorry. My life was under threat.
Hey! Hey!
I insisted that all of you should come for my burial, that the truth may finally be said. None of you is my child. My children are Jankara and Janet, and they own all the property I left behind, including the 2 billion naira.
Hey! Hey!
Clad, oh soldier, you can't be me father. You are a big mango. You can't be my father.
Soldier, now waiting be this you. You big guy man, you big guy man. Oh soldier, now waiting to be this you. You be guy man, you be guy man. If you move, you go move you. Oh soldier, say make you stand the attitude. Just scatter your nyash. Oh soldier, big guy man, attack. If you move, I move you. No retreat, no surrender. Attack, I want to know the kind of family you be. Oh. I want to know. I want to know. No. I want to know it. I want to know. Oh soldier never did die. Oh soldier na digital guy man. You big guy man. You big guy man. Oh chai. Computerizing guy man, action guy man. If you move, you go movie guy man. If you be bloody civilian, don't yeah.